now it's going to get exciting. So you got the New Vision machine right here, and you can see that it's going to cut a custom Sparks Motors logo out for the front of the Peterbilt. They have it all set up in here right now. Got brackets down right now. They're looking for some cutting oil, because when you put some other kind of oil in there, it'll spray up in the camera, and I want you to be able to see this awesome time lapse we're about to do. We can put some cutting oil that should keep it a little bit cleaner in there. You'll enjoy the time lapse. You'll see this machine at work. You'll say, I need one of those, and then you're going to call my boy at New Vision, and he's going to bring you one, and you're going to love it. I love it. You love it? Let's go. All right, so you did all the programming. You drew the picture already on the computer?
Yep. Iram went in, designed it, created a solid model, put it in the CAM software, programmed it, produced all the G code. So that's what this machine needs. And we input it into the machine. Now we're just touching off all the tools, and we're about to ready to press go.
Yeah, you're gonna find some cutting oil, and you'll keep the camera cleaner so they can enjoy a nice time lapse.
We'll try to, yeah. Yeah. You know, there's bigger, smaller versions. There's custom versions of these machines depending on what people are trying to make. But yeah, it's a great machine.
You get one for like your bedside at night, so that you can,
if you want, yeah.
And then you get a big one for your office. You know?
Might be hard to sleep, but yeah, you can do it if you want.
I mean, that's like white noise, right?
Yeah.
Get the right G code in there.
So this is the Feeler VMP 50A. So it's a 50-inch table. Usually you've got like a 40-20 table.
Go big or go home. That's what we say. You know?
Absolutely. We're making truck parts.
Yeah.